Bill Harvey, Councillor, City of Hobart. We're at Salamanca in Hobart. Salamanca Market's the most visited site in Tasmania. It's an amazing tourist attraction. It's iconic. Hundreds of thousands of people come to Salamanca Market every year. So over the last year or so, the officers have been working with stall holders at Salamanca Market to introduce them to the concept of getting rid of single-use plastics, and it's been hugely successful. So we collected 55 kilos of single-use plastic takeaway packaging from about 64 stall holders, so it was a great outcome. So our council officers decided, which was a great idea, that we should produce a bench made out of recycled plastic. So council's been consistent for a number of years with purchasing products made out of recycled plastic, and that includes bollards, tyre stops, other park benches, signage up on Mount Wellington. So we've been trying to support the recovered and recycled plastics industry for a number of years. So if we're fair income about creating a circular economy, then we need to buy the products that come from recovered plastics. Now, this bench I'm sitting on is an example of that, and councils across Australia, I'm sure, are aware of this, but the general public and businesses and organisations need to also understand that if we want to find a solution for plastic pollution, then we need to start supporting the industries that recover and recycle plastics and make them into valuable products that we can all use.